What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will tell you all about the Magic Eden airdrop and when it's happening. Also, if you haven't watched my latest video about Magic Eden airdrop, that being how to connect your wallets and check if you're eligible to receive the airdrop, you can watch that, but here is the quick recap. So first off, to check if you're eligible for the Magic Eden airdrop, you would need to go to the mefoundation.com website. I will leave that link in the description below. Also, this is the official link that you can find on their Discord. So once you're here, you need to click Claim ME right here. Then you need to click Check Eligibility. And once you click Check Eligibility, you would need to open up your Magic Eden mobile wallet app, because they have this barcode here that you can scan, and that way you can log in to the Magic Eden airdrop tracker. So I will just go ahead and quickly open up my Magic Eden app. And once you open your app, in the upper right corner you have the barcode scanner. So just go ahead and tap on that and scan this code. After you scan the code, you just need to sign the transaction or the message. And as soon as you click sign, you will be loaded on your dashboard right here. Now on this dashboard you can connect all the wallets that you think are eligible to receive the airdrop. So as you can see, I connected my Magic Eden wallet, so that being the wallet that I use to log in into this website, and I connected two of my mobile wallets. Now I connected these two, but they are not eligible unfortunately. So here's a quick guide on how to connect your wallet. Now just go to the link wallet section right here. Here you need to select if the wallet is extension based or a mobile wallet. For this example, let's assume that you have a extension based wallet. So in my case, let's say Phantom. Then you would need to select the network of the wallet, in this case Solana. And then your wallet will load right here. So all you need to do now is just simply log in into your wallet and confirm this sign-in message right here. After that, your wallet will be linked to this website. But I already linked this wallet, so that's why this is not changing. Now that's how you link a browser wallet, and this is how you can link your mobile wallet. Just go to link wallet again, go to mobile wallets, select either Phantom or Solflare for the Solana network, and just scan this similarly to how you logged in into this website altogether. And now after you connected your wallets, you can check if you're eligible right here. So as you can see, my two wallets brought me around 121 Magic Eden tokens, which I will be able to claim pretty soon. And now let's move over to the real topic of the video, that being, when is the Magic Eden ME token airdrop actually happening? So actually they just yesterday released a statement exactly going over this. So if you're in their Discord server, you can just go to their Discord server, and under the major announcements tab, the last message is mark your calendars, Magic Eden token will be open for the airdrop at 2 PM on December 10th. Also take note at the time zone right here, so you can recalculate it in your time zone. Now also a little extra piece of news is that the token will be listed on OKX to trade as soon as the airdrop is finished. So I mean as soon as the airdrop is started. So the spot trading will begin at 2 PM on December 10th, as was the release date of the token. So this airdrop will probably last or be claimable about a few weeks or a week, as any other airdrop is. But at the moment this is all we know about the Magic Eden airdrop. So mark your calendars on December 10th at 2 PM.